Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings immediately. Press Windows key +I and choose Update and Security, or type Windows Update in the taskbar search and hit Enter. Once done, make sure you're signed into an administrator account so changes can apply. You're not just clicking, you're positioning the system to check for updates, which triggers background checks and permissions. Now click Check for Updates and watch for progress. This first action surfaces pending system, feature, and security updates you need to review. After the initial check, inspect the list carefully. Windows shows feature updates, quality updates, drivers, and optional updates separately. Each type has different impact. Once you see items, open Update History to identify recent installs or failures by their KB numbers, which helps troubleshooting later. If installations interrupt work, use Pause Updates or change active hours to schedule restarts. For drivers or optional releases, expand those entries and decide whether to install now. To finish, click Download and Install for chosen updates and allow the process to run. Feature updates can take longer and may require multiple restarts. Once a restart completes, return to Windows Update and confirm Update History shows status, installed for each KB. If something goes wrong, run the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter, which checks services, disk space, and corrupt files. It often fixes common failures automatically. Finally, verify system stability and check for any optional post-install driver updates to keep hardware running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.